I come from one of the most urban areas of my city. May not be the finest, but it's home. Growing up, old folk used to say, get an education, grow up, be somebody. But this is the true foundation of our community, our church. Mama had us there every Sunday with a big Sunday dinner afterwards. Everyone was united in the church. There was no judgment. Judgment started right there on my elementary school playground. I got into my first fight. Look, don't make fun of me because I have this big afro textured hair. I'm different. And that's okay. Elementary wasn't all fights on the playground. I had teachers who went the extra mile, who really cared. Being the only black girl in class at times, I felt my teachers pushed me even harder to succeed. For that, I'm thankful. My motivation was my surroundings. Mama told me I could be whatever I wanted to be. Just look around you. Strive to be better than the generation before you. Bars, chains, drugs, guns. I thought I was supposed to learn and have fun. Education shouldn't be scary. I know one thing, being a single parent was hard for my mom, but she was always the first one there to pick me up from school. And she never hesitated to ask my teacher, was I doing all my work? Parent involvement is key. Oh, I was on task. Mama pushed me so hard, even when we went to the laundromat. She made sure I had a book to read while our clothes dried. Going round and round and round. Sometimes my mind would drift off to what I wanted to be when I grew up. Some teachers try to categorize based off of race or income what one will be. I have bigger plans, way bigger plans. See, I have goals. That's why my education is so important. Sure, there'll be stops, bumps. I might even have to reroute my plans. But I'm gonna get there. Yeah, I am. I made it! High school. Best time of your life. Prom. Homecoming. Graduation. Might even throw in some extracurricular activities. You know, makes you a more well-rounded person. I just hope I make it. Statistically, kids in my area and with my background are known to drop out, become a teen parent, end up in jail, or even 6 feet under. Just remember, your start doesn't define your end. And I could finally see the pot of gold at the end of the rainbow. But the road did get bumpy. School budgets were cut. Teachers were let go. Some even left due to all the violence. And some of my friends became those statistics. Music. It's what keeps me grounded. It's part of my culture. I wish we learned more about my culture and others. in school. You know, outside of the textbooks. I hope this changes. I hope more people go out to vote so we can see overall positive changes for our schools to have programs that educate us more. I hope I can make a change. If I want change, I have to be the change. I gotta do better than those before me. First in family to attend college. I hope I make my mom proud. I hope I'm good enough. Education is more than books and formulas. It takes a community. And mine says, well done. You are enough. So no matter who you are, where you're from, don't let nothing stop you. Let your education take you far, and you will succeed, and you